India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in the Western Indian state of Gujarat, where he launched key programs aimed at empowering rural women. Speaking at an event in Navsari, he emphasized the government's commitment to women's safety and women-led development. With the launch of the Ji Safal and Ji Maitri programs, Prime Minister Modi reaffirmed that the soul of rural India lies in its empowerment of women. DD India's Meghna Dev brings us more on the initiative.
On the occasion of International Women's Day, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the Lakhpati Didi Sammelan at Navsari in the state of Gujarat. He also interacted with Lakhpati Didis ahead of the event and highlighted the transformation in the family's fortune which has a Lakhpati Didi. He also said that these females are gradually transforming home-based work into an economic movement.
जब हमारी एक बहन लखपति दीदी बनती है तो पूरे परिवार का भाग्य बदल जाता है। महिलाएं अपने काम में गांव की दूसरी महिलाओं को भी जोड़ती है और मेरा तो विश्वास है जिस काम को माताएं बहनें हाथ लगाती है ना, उस काम का गर्व भी बढ़ जाता है। धीरे धीरे घर से शुरू हुआ काम एक आर्थिक आंदोलन बन जाता है।
Addressing the gathering on the occasion, Prime Minister Modi expressed his gratitude for the love, affection and blessings from mothers, sisters and daughters present in large numbers.
Addressing a massive gathering of over 1.5 lakh women, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the country is on the path of women-led development and is witnessing the rise of Nari Shakti. He also said that in the past decade, the government's approach has been on women's safety.
Prime Minister Modi also highlighted the launch of two schemes, Ji Safal and Ji Maitri, and also schemes like Bank Sakhi and Bima Sakhi, which have provided new opportunities for women in villages. He also said the newly implemented Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita is wiping out the colonial laws, strengthening provisions related to women's safety. Gujarat at present stands as an example of women-led development, be it the White Revolution brought in by the cooperative model of Amul or Lijjat Papar, which was started by a group of Gujarati women. Women in Gujarat have massively contributed to the rural economy. The efficiency of women in the police service was also highlighted today, with all women police personnel carrying out the responsibility of security at the Lakhpati Didi Sammelan in Navsari. Meghna Dev reporting for DD India.